Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Maestro Speaks. Now, this particular video, I won't be breaking down this market. I am just speaking from the perspective of the benefits of trading one currency pair, sticking to one currency pair. All right. Now, this particular pair that we got on the screen is the GBP USD. All right. I'll be the first to say that when you stick with one currency pair, yes, you won. Well, it depends on the time frame that you trade from because there's so many things that you can, so many angles that I could approach the subject from. But with this particular strategy, as it relates to trading one currency pair, that's what I'm talking when I say strategy. When you stick to one currency pair, you will find more consistency in the market because one, you get to learn the pair more. Think about having a spouse or something like that, your wife, your husband, or even your children, or a friend, a good friend, or even a pet. You get to the more time you spend with your significant other, the more you get to know them. So that's the same thing in trading. The more you study a particular currency pair, the more you will learn it, the more you will understand what moves it, when it moves, how it moves, and that combined with a strategy, you see what I'm saying? Where you trade one strategy in one currency pair, you will have great consistency in the market. The problem with a lot of traders is one, they are trading too many currency pairs because all they want to do is trade the market. They just want to trade all day long, nonstop. And then they find themselves blowing their account, and then your emotions ain't intact because you see this happening, that happening. You don't even know what's moving those other currency pairs, but you're thinking and you're relying on your strategy, and you think your one strategy will work for every single currency pair. That is not true. That is not true. Not in the higher probable sense. However, if you stick with one currency pair and you trade one strategy with that currency pair, I could guarantee you would be more uh, consistent in the foreign exchange market. Right now, this is the hourly time frame I'm looking at, right? All right. We're looking at the hourly time frame. And I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this. I could see right now multiple opportunities in this same particular the same screen right there. I see multiple opportunities. All right. Now I won't get into details and tell you what I see and how come I see it. No, I won't do that. All right. Because I'll say this much when the student is ready to teach our pairs, but I'll say this much. Um, once you have a particular currency pair that you fall in love with and you appreciate the move, I, I'll say this much too. I'll say this much too. When you trade one currency pair, you may not get a trade every single day, and this is based off of if you trade a certain way, because there are strategies in the market that you can get an opportunity every single day, because the market has to move a certain amount of pips every day, and especially if you're trading, because right now this is a live chart that we're looking at. The market is moving. The market moves every single day. Your job is to know when to get in and when to exit, and your strategy will dictate to you on how to move. However, if the currency pair that you love gives you that strategy, you trade up the opportunity, you trade it. This is why it's good to stick with one currency pair because it's not one size fits all in the foreign exchange market. I'll be the first to say that. I remember, and as you can see, I got multiple currency pairs. I don't know if you guys can see it out there, maybe not, but I can see from what I'm looking at in terms of my computer, I got multiple currency pairs open up well, I have access to them where I can see them, the charts, right? However, I'm only trading one. I do that. I just like to see what the market's doing on other currency pairs. I just like to be aware. I just like to be aware of what's happening because certain currency pairs correlate with each other. But that's another subject for another day. But trading one currency pair gives you a great degree of consistency. Predict, you are able to almost like a soothsayer or fortune teller predict the move that's going to happen. Me, when I'm scalping the market, I'll put it this way: when I'm scalping the market, I wait for certain things to happen. I wait for the perfect entry strategy. My mentor would say the perfect entry strategy. Me, I wait, I scalp the market, but I wait for the perfect entry strategy. All right, and I scalp on the lower time frame, not even the hour, because the hour you got it takes too long. It takes too long. But see, like I say, that's for persons who understand scalping. What I'm saying to you guys, it's good to know the market from trading one currency pair. You can't trust me. You can't go wrong. Your winning percentage will go up. I guarantee you. If you stick with one currency pair and you marry, it's almost like you're marrying that currency pair. That currency pair will not cheat on you. It will not abandon you. Yes, you might have a few arguments here and there, and I'm speaking as a married man because I love my wife in real life, and we do have disagreements. But guess what? We still together. That's life. That's just like trading forex. Yes, the market might go against you, the currency pair that you like, right? But it doesn't matter because once you have a strategy that's consistent with the currency pair that you've studied and back tested and you're married to, you're going to find consistency overall in the foreign exchange market. All right? So that's what I want to say today on this video. It's beneficial to trade only one currency pair. So you guys have a wonderful day. Feel free to comment and subscribe. And please give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. Peace. Have a nice day.